In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not displaying images on Windows 11. If your pictures, graphics, or text boxes are missing inside a Word document, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by a display setting, a view mode issue, or a small problem with Word itself. We're going to go through several practical fixes in a clear order so you can check what's causing the problem and get your images showing again. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Then go to File, Options, and Advanced. Scroll down until you find the section called Show Document Content. This area controls how Word displays certain elements inside your document. Make sure Show Picture Placeholders is turned off, because if that option is enabled, Word may show empty boxes instead of the actual images. Also make sure Show Drawings and Text Boxes on Screen is turned on, since disabling it can hide visual content. After that, click OK and reopen the document to see if the images return. If the pictures still aren't visible, go to the View tab and switch to Print Layout. Some document elements, especially images and floating objects, may not appear correctly in other view modes. Once you change to Print Layout, check the document again and see whether the missing images are now visible. Next, update Microsoft Word. Go to File, then Account, and look for Update options. Choose Update Now and let Word install any available updates. This is important because display bugs and rendering issues are sometimes fixed through regular Microsoft updates. When the update finishes, restart Word and test the document again. If the issue continues, try repairing Microsoft Office. Open Settings in Windows 11 and then go to Apps and Installed Apps. Find Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office in the list and select Modify. Start with Quick Repair since it's faster and often solves common problems without making major changes. If that doesn't work, run Online Repair, which is more thorough but may take longer. Another useful fix is disabling hardware graphics acceleration. In Word, go back to File, Options, and Advanced. Under the Display section, look for Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration and enable it if the option is available. Then click OK and restart Word. This can help if image rendering problems are being caused by graphics-related conflicts. You should also test a different Word document that contains images. If pictures appear normally in another file, the original document may be damaged. In that case, restoring it from a backup or previous version may be the best solution. Finally, save your work and restart your Windows 11 computer. After the restart, open the document again and check whether the images